It's a story about a person. Lena picked up Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor Frankl, thinking it would be another easy read. But as she turned the pages, everything changed. And there is something else nobody talks about, but here's where things get strange. I was just trying to figure out how best psychology books on human behavior for beginners could help me understand myself better, and then it started with a simple question: how can we really know what makes us tick? It felt before we continue. People who explore their own thoughts deeply are rare. Welcome to MindLedger. It all began with a simple question: how do best psychology books on human behavior for beginners really work? I wanted to understand the secrets behind our minds. I thought it would be straightforward answers about how people think and act. But as days turned into weeks, something felt off. Books that promised clarity just left me more confused. The logic in them seemed strange. Almost this is the part most people never find out. Every chapter felt incomplete. The answer comes in a moment, and it is not what you expect. It dawned on me one night as I lay awake thinking about all those books. They weren't just hidden secrets. There was something fundamentally flawed with how they approached human behavior. Something was off. But nobody could explain what. The answer comes in a moment, and it is not what you expect. It wasn't about oversimplification. It was about understanding that human behavior isn't just one color or emotion. It's an intricate tapestry of thoughts, feelings, and experiences weaved, and the closer they looked, the worse it got. It started as a simple question about how best psychology books on human behavior for beginners reveal the final truth. But the real story was buried much deeper. They began by reading all the popular Picks books, and each one offered insights that were both enlightening and profound. But as they delved deeper into the pages, a strange pattern emerged. These books weren't just about understanding human behavior. They hinted at something far more complex. They talked about our decisions, our thoughts, but there was always an undercurrent of mystery, a sense that we might not fully grasp ourselves or others. And the closer they looked, the worse it got. But the real story was buried much deeper. There were mentions in Sapiens and Frankl's writings where he described moments when people acted against their own interests, choosing paths filled with pain over comfort. Kahneman spoke of cognitive biases that led us to make irrational choices. But as they read on, a new realization dawned: the real truth behind all of this? Nobody had seen it coming. It started with a simple question about how best psychology books could explain human behavior for beginners. But as I delved deeper into those pages, something unexpected emerged, a revelation that shook my world to its core. At first, it felt, yet there was an underlying pattern, a hidden truth buried within the chapters. As I traced back through each book, connecting dots of insight and experience, one realization dawned on me: every behavior we see is not only influenced by our environment but also deeply rooted in something more personal. This introspection led to an epiphany about myself, about how my actions are shaped just as much by internal beliefs and desires. Suddenly, I saw that the answers lay not outside of us, but within each individual's complex psyche. At the beginning, something felt wrong. Now you understand. Subscribe now. The next part drops very soon. What it was: a new perspective on human nature itself. It started as a simple question: how best psychology books on human behavior for beginners really are. I thought it would be straightforward answers about our minds and hearts. But something strange began to unfold. Wait, something here does not add up. It wasn't just the facts, there was an underlying pattern. Almost stop. What comes next changes everything. The books opened my eyes to layers of complexity I never imagined: emotions, thoughts, and behaviors all intertwined in ways that felt both familiar yet alien. Hold that thought. What follows rewrites everything. Each page turned revealed deeper truths about myself and others. Patterns emerged. Wait, something here does not add up. It wasn't just the facts, there was an underlying pattern. Almost stop. What comes next changes everything. I began to see how our behaviors are shaped by countless factors: our upbringing, environment, and even tiny daily habits. Hold that thought. What follows rewrites everything. The more I read, the clearer it became. There's no simple answer about human behavior. Every person is a unique story within stories. Wait, something here does not add up. It wasn't, and your mind has been doing this all along. You just never noticed. And that mystery leads us into part 14. Part 14 drops soon, and it changes everything we covered today. The next episode goes even deeper. Subscribe so you don't miss it.